Your three-phase panel says 400 volts. But measure from any one wire to neutral, and you only get 230. So why isn't the line voltage just 2 times 230, which would be 460? The gap is a single number, √3, and 230 times √3 is 400. Let's find out where it comes from. Three-phase gives you 3 voltages, same size, but each one shifted by 120 degrees. Line voltage isn't measured to neutral. It's measured between 2 lines, so it is the difference of 2 phase voltages. VAB equals VA minus VB. Subtracting a phasor means flipping it around. Minus VB points the opposite way. Now, the angle between VA and minus VB is only 60 degrees. Add 2 equal arrows, 60 degrees apart. The result sits right between them, and its length is 2 times V times the cosine of 30 degrees. And the cosine of 30 is √3 over 2. The 2's cancel. What is left is √3. So the line voltage equals √3 times the phase voltage. So there is your √3. 230 volts per phase times √3 is 400 across the lines. Same system, 2 honest numbers. Now, if this finally made √3 click, do me one small favor. Give the video a like, it genuinely helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss the next derivation. And share it with a friend who is fighting the same equations, so they can have their own click moment too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.